Hey everyone, Jim Haas, back with another new product from Blaze this year. 2026, we're proud to launch the Blaze BCM Builder Classic model. This is the BCM gas grill, and the pitch is pretty simple. Pure, uncomplicated grilling that's built to last. No gimmicks, no fluff, just the quality and reliability Blaze has always stood for at a price point that's right for your household. It's available in a 32-inch 4-burner or a 25-inch 3-burner as a built-in head or on a freestanding cart. We'll walk you through all of it. Let's get into it. Every Blaze grill starts with the best quality 304 stainless steel, and the BCM is no different. It's the same commercial grade stainless steel used across our entire lineup. It resists corrosion, holds its finish in harsh outdoor conditions, and it's built to take a beating season after season. The hood is double-lined with a full inner layer of stainless steel. It does two things really well. It holds the heat inside the cooking chamber for more even, consistent temperatures, and it shields the exterior from discoloration that high heat causes on cheaper hoods over time. That leads to absolutely perfect, low-effort grilling results. Small rubber bumpers on the bottom of the lid prevents it from slamming if dropped. Inside, you'll find professional quality cast stainless steel linear burners, not stamped metal burners that you'll find on many other grills at this price point. Cast stainless is denser, more corrosion resistant, and delivers more even heat across the cooking surface. It's an intentional detail that we refuse to compromise on. Each burner puts out 14,000 BTUs of cooking power and is lit by our push and turn flamethrower ignition. Push, turn, click, it's on. There is no power required for our ignition systems. It's the most reliable ignition on the market. And if you ever need a fallback, there's a backup flash tube ignition system with crossover channels built right into the firebox. It's the kind of thing you hope to never need, but it's there if you do. Let's talk about what actually touches your food. These are 9mm triangular stainless steel cooking grates. That shape is intentional. The triangular profile creates the right amount of contact with food, creating deep sear marks. The mass of the cooking rods also retains heat when a cold piece of meat hits the grill, so you don't lose your temperature at the worst possible moment. That's next-level grill engineering. Below the cooking grates, full coverage perforated flame tamers that span the entire cooking surface. They catch drippings before they hit the burners, minimizing flare-ups and protecting the burners underneath. But here's the flavor part. Those drippings don't just disappear. They hit the hot flame tamers and vaporize instantly. They rise back up as smoke, straight into your food. Say hello to the smoky flavor that every pitmaster wants to achieve on a gas grill. At the base, removable drip pan baffles that are going to catch any extra grease or drippings, making cleanup significantly easier. The Blaze BCM comes with removable heat zone separators. Drop them in between each burner and you've created independent cooking zones. Sear on one side, finish or hold on the other. It's a simple feature that makes you a significantly more flexible cook. The updated control knobs have a knurled finish. That textured grip means you can grab them confidently with wet or greasy hands. Temperature indicators printed directly on the knob bezels allow you to know exactly where each burner is set at a glance. Cleanup on the BCM grill is as straightforward as the rest of it. A full-width roll-out drip tray slides out easily from the front. No tools, no awkward angles. As with every Blaze gas product, the BCM ships with interchangeable orifice conversion kits already in the box. Switching from propane to natural gas or vice versa doesn't require a service call or a separate kit. It's included. That's the kind of flexibility and thoughtfulness you can expect from Blaze. As with any Blaze grill, the BCM can be installed in a built-in application in a custom barbecue island, or it can go on a freestanding cart. The Blaze BCM grill is a great way to get started with the Blaze brand. This is where someone gets their first real experience with Blaze quality. The 304 stainless steel, the cast burners, the double-lined hood, the thoughtful details throughout. It's built for backyards, shared outdoor spaces, and multifamily environments. It handles frequent use without complaint. If you want a potential new customer to understand what Blaze stands for, put a BCM in front of them. For common areas or a commercial environment, there's also a 3-year multi-user warranty. Buy with confidence, this grill is covered. And that's the Blaze BCM. No overclaiming, no overcomplicating, just a grill that's built to Blaze standards. price to bring more people into what we do. So there you have it, the Blaze BCM, pure uncomplicated cooking and a workhorse of a grill.